Today I will show you how to split files up with WinRAR or 7-zip. So I have the YouTube folder here, and in here is the setup of 7-zip because it wasn't installed on my computer before, and that is very good to test it. Now I'm going to test it with WinRAR and select a file and edit. And now another window opens, and you can choose whatever archive format you want. I will choose zip now, and now you can split this file into parts. You can choose bytes, kilobytes, megabytes or gigabytes. I will choose kilobytes or bytes, and I will split that file into 1,000,000 and the rest 400,000 bytes. And now press OK, and now we have these two files, the zip file and the test.z01 file. And what we can do now is, we can't open this because it has no app for it, but we can open the test zip and we can extract it to the folder again. It works. We also can do that with test, and here comes that folder, and it says no errors found during the test operation. Okay, so we tested it with WinRAR, and now it is also possible to do it with 7-zip. Select the exe, edit, then another window opens, and you can choose whatever format you want and it works with, but I choose zip now, and we can split it up. Here is only bytes possible, 1,000,000. Again, you have to choose whatever format you want, and how big it should be. You have to choose it for yourself, and then press OK. Oh, okay, it already exists, so edit again. Okay, and now we have these two files. These are different to the other ones, but you can open it with 7-zip or with WinRAR again. Test it, test, use that window, and it says no errors found. So this is exactly how to split files up. This is, for example, needed when you want to upload these files to a file hoster and it has a limitation, I don't know, for 5 gigabytes for one file, and you want to share a file that is 10 gigabytes. So, okay, I hope you liked my video, and see you the next time. Bye.